The Goa Union of Journalists in association with Goa Can organized an awareness session on the importance of the ISI mark by the Bureau of Indian Standards, Western Region, Mumbai. The program apprised the media about the Bureau of Indian Standards and the latest schemes launched by it. The role of the media in consumer protection and education with respect to the ISI marked goods was also discussed. Officers from the Bureau of Indian Standards, including its Deputy Director, was a resource person.
Promoting consumer awareness and education through various programs. Programs like this are the programs what we had in the last 3 years to sensitize people about the importance of purchasing ISI marked products and why they should insist on quality products. So as part of that, we are thankful to Mr. Martin that they have helped us in organizing these programs in the last 3 days. We hope that in future also we will be organizing a number of programs that way. Similarly, in other districts of other states also will be doing the same thing. The second scheme is the reward scheme. Over the last 3 days, we had some market surveys in the markets of Goa, and we found that there are some products where we found misuse of standard mark was there. That means a manufacturer who is not authorized to manufacture goods with ISI mark, they are selling with superior ISI mark, or they are selling their goods with some imitation of the ISI mark. Normally, we will have a ISI mark. On top of it, you will find a number IS, say 1391. IS 1391 is for an air conditioner. Now, some of the imitations which you will see in the market, please see the red ones on the first page. All these red ones are incorrect. The only complete picture is given by the last ISI mark on your right hand bottom. The last one is the correct one. Otherwise, all other marks what are given, there is some information is missing.
4 items in regards to LPG, which is the stove, the hose pipe, the regulator and the cylinder. Actually, out of these 4 items, only 2 items are mandatorily must have the ISI mark, which is the cylinder and the regulator. The stove and the hose pipe, it doesn't come under the mandatory certification of ISI. So we are from Goa Can, we are going to start a campaign that the LPG stove and the hose pipe should be mandatorily ISI marked, from the Bureau of Indian Standards. Even though the HP petroleum guidelines say that the hose should be ISI marked and the LPG stove should be ISI marked. But from Bureau of Indian Standards, it is not mandatory to have that as ISI marked. So this is a campaign that Goa Can is going to start. If you look at this pipe, it says, I'll just show you here. There is an ISI. They have put an ISI certification of ISI, license number. Okay. But this is a misuse of ISI mark because they are not allowed. This is not a genuine ISI because if you look at the pipe, it is not a genuine ISI mark. So this would come under the misuse of the ISI mark.
Which one is the original one?
This is the original one. It actually mentions here LPG hose and it gives you an ISI mark here. And if you look at it, it is the original because you know that when you bend it, it doesn't bend. There is a wire mesh inside. But if you look at this one that I just showed you earlier, which also has written the ISI mark, but it is a fake pipe. If you bend it, you can look, it just comes into a fold. It can, if it has a wire mesh, it cannot come in as a fold,
Okay.
It has to be round.
What about the regulator thing?
The regulator has to be ISI mark. If you look at it, here there is an ISI mark. See, this is compulsory ISI mark.